This video will describe how to use the word prediction tool in Read and Write for Mac. This tool can be used to assist students in identifying the correct spelling of a word, or it can be used to reduce the number of keystrokes required to type a word. The word prediction icon can be found on the writing toolbar. Start with a new document in Microsoft Word. Activate the word prediction by clicking the icon in the toolbar. A small word prediction window will open. Start by typing a word. Observe the words that appear as the initial letters of each word is typed. Having only typed the first two letters of word, it already appears in the list. This is because Read and Write will automatically pare down the list of words to best match the letters typed. In order for the word prediction tool to be effective, the user must at least type letters that correspond with the phonetic sound of the word. As such, the word giraffe will appear even if it is typed incorrectly with a J. The program will also suggest words that would logically appear after a word. In this case, the suggested word is based on context. To assist with picking the correct suggested word, click on a word and select the dictionary icon. This will bring up the definition of the word. Double-click on a word to insert it into the document. Alternatively, hold down Control and the number next to the desired word. Additional options can be found by entering the Settings menu. Click the Preferences icon in the toolbar and then select the Prediction tab. There are a number of word bank files that can be selected or deselected ordered by complexity. By selecting more advanced files, the suggested words will be more complex. For beginning writers, deselecting advanced files will likely result in correctly identifying the word that they are looking for. Other options include allowing the program to learn words that are used more frequently by the writer. These words are more likely to be recommended. For subject-specific words, it is possible to manually add a selection of vocabulary so that these words appear. Highlight a passage and click the plus button at the bottom of the word bank dialog box. Paste the text into the panel that appears. The added words will now be incorporated into the prediction window. Another option is to automatically add a space after the predicted word has been inserted.